Hello YouTubers and welcome to our 90. In this tutorial I will show you one of the best earning sites that is available right now. The site is paying for quite a long time and you will definitely get if you earn from this site. You will not lose anything. So in this tutorial I will also show you the payment proof, so stay tuned. And without wasting time, let's get started. You can find the link to the site in the description. Click on the link and you will be on the site. When this is the main page of this site, here you can see there are a lot of payment methods available, including Bitcoin, Pioneer, Perfect Money, AdCash, Skrill, Payeer, Coin Payment, and AirTM. Here you can see the stats. They have paid a lot of dollars in total to their members, and they have total members of more than 1 lakh. And you can see that there are many benefits to their members. You can earn up to $0.02 per click, and there are multiple payment options and many other facilities are provided. So if you want to see the payment proofs, here is the option. Click on the proof of payments at the bottom of the site and you will see all the payment proofs of this site. Plus you can see the payment proofs in different forums from this site. I guarantee you that the site is completely genuine and you will get what you earn on this site. You can see the last payment they made was on May 26th, that was of $2, and they are paying daily. The payments are fast and you will definitely get your payment. So click on the register button to get started. On the register page, fill in the form and submit it. After creating your account, log in to the site. So this is the dashboard of this site. This will be your dashboard. On the dashboard you can see there is a daily bonus available. You can claim the daily bonus of $0.025 by completing the task that is available above. Here you can see if you complete 20 visits to bonus ads, and if you play give one visit to the bonus game, if you play 20 visits to the grid, you complete 20 offers and you visit 4 PTC ads, then you will be eligible to get this bonus of $0.02. So if you complete all of this and then claim your bonus, in total you can make easily 0.1 dollar easily if you complete only these tasks and claim the bonus. You can earn more on this site if you want. So here you can see my balance is $2.05. The minimum payout of this site is $2 that you can request, and different memberships have different payment option, different limits, and you will need cash out points to request the payment. And this is it from the dashboard. Now if you click on the earn money button, you play the quiz, you can watch videos, you can complete the surveys if they are available in your country, you can view the ads there. This one is the main on every site. You can earn from pay to promote, from the grid, from the pop-up game, and from sign up offers. I will not show you all of these, but I will show you the main one, that is the advertisements. And the other option that you are getting is the offer walls. A lot of offer walls are available, and you can easily make, if you complete the surveys and have referrals, and if you complete the surveys and the sign up offers, you can easily make more than $2 in one day from this site. So from the offer walls, if you don't complete the surveys and you don't have referrals, then you can easily make 0.1 to $0.2 daily from this site. So there is a captcha when you are going on to view the advertisements, and there are also offer walls available. A lot of offer walls are available, including offers for all, clicks wall, Kiwi wall, personally, at get rewards, and many other. I will not show you all of this because it will take a lot of time. So here you can see a lot of ads are also available. In bonus ads are also available. The best thing about bonus ads is that you can earn 1 cent by completing 10 bonus ads. This is the best thing about this site. Plus, you if you view on standard ads, there are 4 standard ads available. If you view these 4 standard ads, it will only take 1 minute and you can earn $0.02. Yeah, meaning that you can earn 2 cents from these 4 ads easily. Plus there are a lot of other ads also available, so you can earn a lot from this site. So let's head to the payment. So you can see that if you can, you can earn a lot from the pay to promote option as well. Many people are earning from this option, and you can also make a lot from this option as well. So let me show you the pay to promote option. Here you can see you can earn by surfing the ads. Plus if you promote your referral link, then you can also earn. Check this option of PTP promote. Click on the button PTP promote, and here you can see you will have your your link available at the top, your PTP URL. Here mine is this one, and if you follow the rules and then bring visits to your to this site, to this link, if you bring visits to this link, you can earn from this as well. Here you can see people have earned a lot. The top one has earned more than $9 from this PTP link, from his PTP link. So you can also earn a lot from here. So now let's head to the withdraw section. You can see that my balance is 2.05770. You can upgrade your account if you want. Let me show you different memberships that are available, and this is the withdraw option. So the memberships that are available are these. You can see the citizen membership, the deputy clicky, and monthly memberships and yearly memberships are also available. You can check there are the price of each membership and the maximum cash out limit that you have. Mine is a free membership, so I have a limit of $2. There is the highest membership has the maximum limit of $95, and there is the limit between cash outs. If you make your cash out today, then after 7 days you can request your next payment. So I am using this free membership, and my payment methods that are available to me are Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, Nettler, AirTM, and Add Cash. So I'm gonna request the withdraw to my Payeer account. So I haven't added my account, so let me add my Payeer account and then I will make the withdraw. So my account is attached, and now I'm going to request the withdraw to Payeer. Here you can see the payment method is Payeer. My account is added. My balance is $2.0577. The maximum that I can withdraw per day is $2. To withdraw from Payeer is unlimited. There is zero withdrawal fees, and the cash out points that I need is 2000. So you will need 1000 cash out points per dollar while requesting the payment from this site. So here I will have to add my birthday. Then when I hit the send button, the payment request will be sent to the admin. So from here I am clicking on the send button, and here you can see the payment request was successfully submitted. Thank you for using our service. Now if I go to the account summary, here you can see my balance has decreased to $0.05. It was $2.05. Now it is $0.05, and the pending withdrawal is $2. Payment received is 0. Cash out points are 0. And so now let's wait for the withdrawal. So we are back on the site and I want to show you that I have received the payment, and now I will show you the payment proof. Here you can see the balance is 0.087. There is nothing in pending withdrawals and the payment received is $2. So the site says that I have received the payment and I will show you the payment proof. Here you can see I received a mail from Payeer and it says that I have received the payment. You can see a mail from Payeer. The amount of $1.980.02 was the fees of payment sending in Payeer. So I have received $1.98 in my account, and you can see the comment that you have got cash from Clickstadia. So you can see that I have received the payment. You can see that I have received the mail 9 minutes ago from Payeer. So I received this payment 9 minutes ago, and as soon as I received the payment I added it in my video. So this is the proof of the payment and the site is completely legit. You will definitely get your payment from the site no matter what. All you have to do is do honest work and request your payment. The admin will definitely pay you. So this is it from the site. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more and for more legit earning sites. This is it. Thank you.